The importance of climate change to our planet. Climate change is of paramount importance to our planet for several reasons. 1. Environmental impact. Climate change alters ecosystems, affecting biodiversity, habitats, and the distribution of plant and animal species. It can lead to habitat loss, shifts in migration patterns, and extinction risks for certain species. 2. Weather patterns. Changes in climate can disrupt weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves. These events can have devastating impacts on communities, economies, and infrastructure. 3. Water resources. Climate change affects the availability and distribution of water resources, impacting agriculture, drinking water supplies, and ecosystems. Changes in precipitation patterns can lead to droughts in some regions and increased rainfall in others, altering water availability and quality. 4. Sea level rise. Rising global temperatures cause polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, resulting in sea level rise. This phenomenon threatens coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems, leading to increased flooding, erosion, and saltwater intrusion. 5. Health risks. Climate change exacerbates health risks by increasing the frequency and intensity of heat waves, air pollution, and the spread of vector-borne diseases. Vulnerable populations, such as the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions, are particularly at risk. 6. Economic consequences. The impacts of climate change pose significant economic risks, including damage to infrastructure, decreased agricultural productivity, increased healthcare costs, and disruptions to supply chains. Addressing climate change requires investments in resilience and adaptation measures to mitigate these economic losses. 7. Global security. Climate change can exacerbate social and political tensions by exacerbating resource scarcity, displacement, and conflict. Competition for water, food, and land resources may increase, leading to instability and insecurity in vulnerable regions. 8. International cooperation. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and collaboration. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, aim to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions and limit global warming. Cooperation among nations is essential to achieve meaningful progress in combating climate change and protecting the planet for future generations.